Stopping and moving off from the curbside is a common maneuver that may be executed for various reasons, such as picking up or dropping off a passenger. The objective of this lesson is to enhance your ability to stop and move off from the curbside. This video will demonstrate the steps to stop and move off from the curbside. To stop at the curbside, identify a safe and legal spot. As you are approaching the intended place to stop, ensure that you are driving on the left lane. Check the rear view mirror to ensure that there are no cars following closely behind you. Signal left, reduce speed, and check the left side mirror and left blind spot. Next, steer closer gradually to the curbside until there is a gap of about 0.5 meter between your car and the left curb. Stop the car at the intended spot. Apply the foot brake, followed by the handbrake, and engage the appropriate gear to stop the car. Switch on the hazard lights. To move off from the curbside, engage the appropriate gear to move off the car. Next, check your surroundings and the rear by checking the rear view mirror that it is safe to move off. Following that, signal right, check the right side view mirror and check your right blind spot. Release the handbrake and increase your speed gradually to move off from the curbside. Once you have moved off, cancel the right signal and continue to drive normally. Now that you have completed the video, please answer the quiz questions that follow. There will be 5 multiple choice questions. After the questions and options are shown, you will be given 5 seconds to answer each question. Quiz questions. 1. You are preparing to stop the car by the curbside. Which of the below states the correct sequence of doing the safety checks? A. Check the left blind spot, check the left side mirror and reduce speed. B. Signal left, check the left side mirror and reduce speed. C. Signal left, reduce speed and check the left side mirror. C. Signal left, reduce speed and check the left side mirror. 2. What should the distance between your car and the curbside be before stopping the car? A. 0.2 meter. B. 0.5 meter. C. 1 meter. B. 0.5 meter. 3. Which of the below statements is true when the car is at a complete stop? A. You should turn on the hazard lights. B. The left signal should continue to be kept on. C. You should turn off both the hazard lights and the left signal. A. You should turn on the hazard lights. 4. You are preparing to move off from the curbside. Which of the below states the correct sequence of doing so? A. Check the right blind spot, release the handbrake and depress the accelerator. B. Check the right blind spot, depress the accelerator and release the handbrake. C. Release the handbrake, check the right blind spot and depress the accelerator. A. Check the right blind spot, release the handbrake and depress the accelerator. 5. You have just moved off from the curbside. What should your next actions be? A. Cancel the left signal, then drive at the speed according to the traffic conditions. B. Cancel the right signal, then drive at the speed according to the traffic conditions. C. Check the right side mirror, then drive at the speed according to the traffic conditions. B. Cancel the right signal, then drive at the speed according to the traffic conditions.